So, oh, hey, good morning. It's LA Appliance Guy. How's everybody doing?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Let's get started on this. Look what we got. That is a leaking rotor from a vmax. We just did a BMW gear case. Well, guess what this one needs? Maytag, commercial technology, 10-year warranty. It has the random stick. Look at it slinging all around the inside. Look at that shaft. That's a dirty shaft. So it's gonna need a slider and a gear case. Just like the VM belt drive, this is the vmax. Yay! Alrighty, let's get the top up. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Grab that baby. Okay, worst part of the whole job is getting the agitator or wasp plate out. Go ahead and pop the top. Bam. Okay, 7/16, way down there. Alright, well don't strip it, LA, but give it a few tappies and sometimes these pull right out. That one didn't fight. Baby hammer time, spanner nut. These are standard thread spanner nut, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and it's a spanner nut, what, AB123? Alright. So far so good. We'll take all the screws out of the bottom and I'm gonna put some juice right here. Let's put some juice on it. And then we'll get the big hammer and we'll put the big hammer on it. Alrighty, very simple. We have 10 millimeters mounting the gear case, but we have to get these 7 millimeters off here. That mounts the stator, and then these 2 quarters over here that hold this on. But our slider, you know, that's just a little snap ring here. I'll show you, but 10 millimeter, 7 millimeter quarter. All right, so they already took the slider off. We know it's bad. All right, unplug, quarter. 7 millimeter. Oh wait, need to go ahead and get this 10 millimeter down. It mounts the wires. There we go. All right, now 7 millimeter. All right, now the rest of them. Big hammer time. Alrighty, take the big hammer, few flaps, and the transmission gear case falls right out. Okay, let me get sad brush and we'll knock this down. Sad brush time, here we go. So I'm in the shop and I'm on concrete, so I just knock it right down. But if you're on tile floor, you probably don't want it to go slamming down into your tile. Make sure you index, where's it at? The 2 holes. Yeah, 2 holes towards the pump. That's where our 2 quarters went. there and there. If you don't, it won't line up. Okay. Oh, sorry. There we go. Last 10 millimeter. Most important wire. And then our plug. Okay. Slider. Split ring. Boom. Okay. Rotator and new bolt. T30. That's what a bad one looks like. Cut. Besides the wash plate and agitator coming out, sometimes lining these splines up on the drum and the new gear case are kind of tough. But once you get it, and it just drops right in there. And then you'll put your spanner nut on. It, like I said, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And I don't know how tight you're supposed to get them. I've always just flapped them till they didn't flap no more, until it don't move. Then you'll grab your cap, put your cap on, and then we'll get the top back down and put our agitator on. We're done then. So this is a little redneck setup with like multiple extensions, and I put my screw on there so I could line it up with the hole and then push the agitator down onto the shaft. Don't cross thread. Now we pop the final cap. Where's it at? Bam. All right, factory calibration time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Flash mode. Should be no codes because I cleared them. Hit the second button. It'll go into the test mode where you can test the lock and everything. But hit soil level and go all the way to 52. And that is the recalibration cycle. Bam. Well, start. There we go. Well, we started up a normal cycle with some clothes in it. That's the VM with the belt. And that's the vmax with the stator. 2 Maytags, 2 10-year warranties in one day. 43 minutes. Oh man, look at that baby go. Daggone. That random stick doing good. That random stick be moving them clothes. Look at that. Shoo. I like it. Bam. Put the screws in the back. Make sure there's no codes. We're good. Final spin. You can't see in there. But we'll check the code, see if we got any codes. Wipe my dirty handprints off. Somebody got mad at me Oh, dang it. I hit the stop button. Crap. I'm going to have to run it again after all that. Whoops. There we go. That's better. Dang it. I can't believe I did that. Oh well. It only had 5 minutes left. Let me wipe this down. At least get it a little nice. Wipe my fingerprints there and there. Okay. Expensive lid. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See if any codes popped up. Nope. Hey, we're good. I'll run a quick load with nothing in it. And oh yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 gets it into the diagnostic mode. It would have flashed a code there, but hit the second button. That's how I got into the test mode. So that's 000 is lock. Soil and temperature is how you scroll. And then the one I use a lot is 8. Oop, not 9, 8. That's the drain pump. So we always check the drain pump. But yeah, good little diagnostic mode. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Hello. Oh, hey, you can turn the knob and change it. That's cool. Weird. I'm done. No codes. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, so this is the vmax book here. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then that third button was scrolling error codes. Holding the third button 5 seconds clears them. See, second button, momentary press, service mode. Dun-dun. And so then there's our codes in this book. Where's the service mode? That way I can show you. I probably passed it. It's been yep, see 000, toggle lid lock, 8, drain pump, and then the 1 service calibration. That's what we did. Ooh. Pow. Well, we made it to the end of the video finally. That's how you put a gear case in a vmax Maytag commercial technology 10-year warranty. Yeah, Made it to the end of the video. It's still running. I'm over it. 2 gear cases in one day. So yeah, the keyword today is twofer. Twofer Maytag. One's a vmax with a stator, one is a belt VM. I'm tired. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that was a long one. See you tomorrow. Don't forget that like and subscribe. You rock. Twofer. 10-year warranty. 10-year warranty. See you tomorrow, y'all. Hey, y'all. It's actually pretty funny. The guy called back the next day, today, and said, my wife is kind of unsure that this is her washer. And I said, yeah, it's the vmax Maytag. We just put the agitator in. And yeah, so we finished breaking your lid. The lid was kind of halfway broken on that left-hand side like they always are. So I had to put one of ours on there. So it is a different lid. And I told him about that and showed him the old lid that we actually broke off of there, finished breaking off of there, moving it around. And so that was a freebie on the house, a $250 lid. We usually sell them for 50 bucks, but hey, we finished it off. So I had to, fix it. But she's just unsure that this is her washer. I think it's because I cleaned it so good. I'm just kidding. But it was just kind of funny. He's like, just, making sure. I'm like, yeah, we tag them and everything. Just funny. Y'all have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for getting us over 7,000 subscribers. You're awesome. Later. Hey, y'all. Just chillaxing in Hobby Lobby, waiting on the girls get out of the bathroom. Look at these big old nuts. Water park time. Well, that's the good thing about an indoor water park. Crazy. We're getting wet inside, but not getting rained on. That's cool. Wow. Tropical rain. We're getting wet, but not getting wet outside. That is gorgeous. So beautiful. Pretty funny. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Whoop whoop.